tap dancing freaking Christmas. Dead moose better be the best thing in the world. Because getting here was insane. Parked way down to the bottom at the Tiki Hut and that big commons area. Looks really cool. Don't think it's open yet for the season. Climbed 5 miles up the state highway to Burke Mountain. Didn't realize you could park at Burke Mountain. A lot of this was my fault for not pulling up the map. Had some chaos at home right before I left. But finally made it to a downhill. Let's see if it's worth this mess. And because Camptown looked really fun. It was super muddy. Really hoping Dead Moose is less muddy and gutty. So let's see. Oh, okay, good. Dead Moose Alley. At least they're labeled. Thank God. Seemed like the trailhead map was backwards from the PDF. I couldn't figure out which side of the road the trail started on. The toll road wasn't what I thought it was. That went up the wrong way a little bit. Sweet. Yeah, definitely should have parked elsewhere, done different trails. Halfway through my water, my bladder pack. I meant to reach, I tried looking for a Vermont mountain bike community subreddit, and it was pretty dead. There were like 2 people that posted last a year ago. I don't think ever got back to me. Yeah, I had no way of knowing what the muddy season is. Although by then I had already booked everything anyway. It was too late to call it off. Oh, got my toe. I was gonna try to make it up to J Bar on Burke and saw how much farther it was, and was like, no. With like riding literally all the way up the mountain. Left. Okay. Yeah, I'm glad I did that one, but the bigger one would have careened me right through the turn. There we go. Didn't quite pull up enough. Nor did I have nearly enough speed, so I stepped in the mud. That's cool. Blacksmiths to the road. Yeah, because you can go across to Camp Down. Heck yeah. Except for the mud. Camp Down looked hella fun. Alright, try to save this day. Watch, I'm sure the lower section of dead moose would be the best, but I'm jaded. Woo! There we go, this is more my style and capacity. Park, bike, park, and look at it. Oh no. Am I gonna miss it? I don't know. Let's see what this is. Fuck. Oh, I hope some of this is open. Well, you didn't stop and tell me no. Oh, well, I guess the sign does. All right, do or die. I found Burnham Down. MDB project says single black. This has double black. So I guess we're going to see what a Vermont double black looks like. Burnham Down, less lumber. I'm going to go for it. Nice. Hell yeah. The first long boardwalk like this. And the turn. It's like, oh. That's why I don't normally do these. Because I'm afraid of doing that mid-trail. This is impressive, even for this length. Oh, okay. Because I was just thinking, man, if that's the whole mile and a half, that's an incredible amount of wood. Some real long wood. Yeah, it's not a place you want to make adjustments. I should have switch my camera the other way. Yes. I psyched myself out. 100% psyched myself out. Almost clipping that first tree that killed my momentum, and yeah, you saw what happened. Woo! So big. Little gnat in the eye. All right, now this is what I was looking forward to. Oh, it took 3 hours and 9 miles to get here. Good Lord, did not wipe your nose there.